this is Teacher Lay again. So for this video, I will discuss to you and how to find the missing angles of a parallel lines cut by a transversal. So we have here two lines cut by a transversal. So these two lines are parallel. So we have 8 angles. We have angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, angle 7, and angle 8. And we are going to find the measures of the missing angles. Okay, so number 1. What is angle 1 or the measure of angle 1 if the measure of angle 2 is 120 degrees? Okay, so let's locate our angle 1. This is our angle 1, right? So we are going to find the measure of angle 1 if the measure of angle 2 is 120 degrees. Okay, let us recall the angle pairs, no? We are going to recall sa angle pairs na to, the classifications of the angle pairs. So, angle 1 and angle 2, they are vertical angles, di ba? Opposite angles. So, they are vertical angles. If the pair of angles is vertical angles, meaning they are congruent. Congruent meaning the same measure. So since angle 1 and angle 2 are vertical angles, so they are congruent. So the same ang measure. Angle 1 and angle 2 is 120 degrees. So the measure of angle 1 is also 120 degrees because the measure of angle 2 is 120 degrees and they are vertical angles. Vertical angles are congruent angles, meaning the same measure. Okay. So angle 1 and angle 2 is vertical angles. Vertical angles sila, diba? So angle 1 is equals to angle 1 is equals to 120 degrees also. Okay. Next. So in number 2, the measure of angle 6 if the measure of angle 8 is 75 degrees. So this is our angle 6 and this is our angle 8. So angle 6 and angle 8, they are same side, no? They are in the same side man, si angle 6 and angle 8. So meaning they are supplementary because they are in the same side, this side here. They are supplementary. So, supplementary are the angles that the measure sum up to 180 degrees. So we are going to add angle 6 plus angle 8. And they are equals to 180 degrees. So angle 6 plus the measure of angle 8 in the given, which is 75 degrees, equals to 180 degrees. So angle 6 equals 180 and we are going to transfer 75. If we are going to transfer numbers, we are going to use the unlike sign. Since 75 here is positive and when we transfer in the right side, it will become negative. So this is now 180 minus 75 is equals to 105 degrees. So angle 6 is equals to 105 degrees and angle 8 is 75 degrees. So if we add 105 plus 75, they are equals to 180 degrees. Okay. So number 3, we have find the measure of angle 7 if the measure of angle 4 is 38 degrees. So, this is our angle 7 and this is our angle 4. So, we are going to find the measure of angle 7 if the measure of angle 4 is 38 degrees. Okay. So, what do you call to these angles, man? The pair of angles. What is the classification of these angles? To this pair, man. Angle 7 and angle 4. They are alternate exterior angles. They are in the exterior angles, diba? And they are alternate. So, let us recall that alternate exterior angles are congruent, meaning they have the same measure. So, angle 7 is also 38 degrees because the measure of angle 4 is 38 degrees and they are alternate exterior angles, so they have congruent measure. So again, angle 7 and angle 4, they are alternate exterior angles. So therefore, angle 7 is also 38 degrees. Okay, next. Number 4, angle 1, if the measure of angle 5 is 120 degrees. Again, find the measure of angle 1 if the measure of angle 5 is 120 degrees. So, this is angle 1 and this is angle 5. So, let us recall the angle pairs, the classification of the angle pairs. Angle 1 and angle 5, they are, this is our angle 1 and this is our angle 5. They are corresponding angles. So, if the angles are corresponding angles, they are also congruent. So, since our angle 1 and angle 5, they are corresponding angles, and the measure of angle 5 is 120 degrees. So, therefore, angle 1 is also 120 degrees. Okay, last example. So, number 5, find the measure of angle 2 if the measure of angle 8 is 100 degrees. Okay, this is our angle 2 and this is our angle 8. Okay, angle 2 and angle 8, they are same side. They are here, man, interior angles. Again, angle 2 and angle 8, this angle pairs, they are same side interior angles. And if the angle pairs are same side interior angles, meaning they are supplementary. So supplementary are angles that measure sum up to 180 degrees. So meaning that angle 2 plus the measure of angle 8, they are equals to 180 degrees because they are supplementary. And we have here angle 2 plus, what is angle 8? 100 degrees equals to 180 degrees. Next, this is angle 2 and we are going to transfer, man. This is 180 degrees and we are going to combine like terms, or we are going to transfer 100 here. If we are going to transfer or transpose the numbers, we are going to use the unlike sign. So since 100 here is positive, we are going to transfer here. This will become negative 100 degrees. So angle 2 is equals to, what is 180 minus 100? That is equals to 80 degrees. So angle 2 is 80 degrees and angle 8 is 100 degrees.